On July 21st, 1944, in Lagos State, a renowned storyteller was born to the family of Buchi Emecheta from Umuezokolo quarters in Ibuzo, present-day Delta State. Florence Buchi Emecheta became orphaned at a young age and married at 16. By her 20s, she was already a mother of 5, alone in London, with no tradition of black women's writing in Britain to guide her. No blueprint, no one who looked like her had done it before. So, she became the first. Historians call her the first successful black woman novelist living in Britain after 1948. Not one of, the first in Britain. Second-class citizen, the Bride Prize, the joys of motherhood, over 20 books, a professor across Nigeria, the UK, and the United States of America. In 1983, she stood alongside Simon Rushdie and Kazuo Ishiguro on Granta's list of Britain's best young novelists. No blueprint, no mentor who looked like her in Britain, just a woman who wrote herself and every African woman after her into existence. Happy birthday, Aduku, Adibuzo, Ada Anioma, Adibu. Anubuzo Ada Alanjomiri, you were the first. You will never be the last to be remembered. Please drop a posthumous happy birthday wish for her and subscribe to our channel for more powerful videos celebrating our great achievers from Igbo land.
Have you a little verse or a little song in your mother or father tongue, Igbo, that we could hear, just to hear the sound of it?
Oh, well, I'll just sing you a line or two. Owa, owa, zo milizo, uwo bodobo, zo milizo, weta mili wetencha, zo milizo mwajiga ude na ro, zo milizo rude na bolona, zo milizo bolona boze, zo milizo piti moligbo, zo milizo metosude na ro, zo milizo. It's nice, isn't it?
It is very nice. It's
Yes.
for children?
Yes, it's a sort of a fable we use in waking people up. That you are going to tell them a story or something, yes.
Shall we sit down?
Yes.